And on to some other news, which has just come in and updates. Now, Apple faces mounting pressure as Jefferies downgraded the tech giant to underperform, citing concerns over revenue growth following President Donald Trump's remarks about potential new U.S. investments from the company. Jefferies is now projecting a nearly 13% downside on the stock. The rare bearish call stands in contrast to broader Wall Street sentiment, with only 3 other analysts recommending selling Apple shares compared to 19 buy ratings now.
Well, absolutely. So that's the latest as far as that particular news is concerned. But moving on and shifting focus, then Guggenheim Partners Chief Investment Officer forecast that the US Federal Reserve is likely to cut interest rates roughly every quarter in 2025, bringing the reduction to around 75 basis points then, or even a full percentage point this year. In fact, according to them, the central bank will continue cutting, albeit on a slower path than what had been penciled in previously, Priyanka.
All right. Meanwhile, Goldman Sachs has said that the copper market is pricing in odds of about 50% that there will be a 10% US tariff on the metal by the end of the first quarter of this year, which is a big figure. Analysts at the US investment bank said in a note that the estimate is similar to their own 50% subjective probability of a 10% effective tariff on copper by year end. Remember, Trump has spoken of tariffs of as much as 10% on global imports as well as 60% on Chinese goods. Goldman also notes that the oil market is pricing in a nearly 40% chance of a 25% US tariff on Canadian oil, including oil, versus the bank's 15% subjective probability of a 25% effective tariff by the end of the year. And that's what the kind of remarks, we heard Trump talking about to start imposing from as early as February 1. So let's see how this pans out.
Well, absolutely. And
if you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.